Boys School. Proceed. Lady PSI Prajuti Desai. High School is from the heart of the Vasco city, the St. Andrews Institute, led by Safa Maharaj. Led by Ms. Prashanti Jalnila.
Indeed, it is a proud moment for all of us. The whole nation is celebrating. On this day, 70 years ago, as we move into the 71st year, India was declared a republic. It is time to ponder. It is time to think. In the last 70 years, where have we moved? Where has the life of citizens changed? What strides the nation has made? Where the country has progressed? Where have been our successes? Where have been our failures? On these days, we take stock. On the Republic Day celebrations in Delhi at Rajghat, when you see the parade there, you have on display, you have the march passes, you have tableaus of the different states depicting the culture, the progress made not only on the heritage side, not only on the progress made by the states, not only on the progress made by the country, even as far as defense is concerned. We showcase most of our weapons on that day to showcase that ours is a country which is one of the largest democracies in the world, with strong institutions and millions of people, from Indians from across the world, Indians from across the country. Perhaps it would cross a few billions. Why? Because India is one country worth watching. India is one country where you get to see real progress in its real sense. India is one country where, while the nation marches forward, states are not lagging behind. केंद्र सरकारा आणि या सरकारा ताकद असा ते सांभाळूय करपाक. Don't take for granted any situation. आम्ही हेचे फुडें जायती एजिटेशन हँडल केल्ली आसा. तांकां एकूच सांगता, लोकांक भडकोवन कांय जावपा ना. लोकांची मनां जिका, कितें तरी बरें काम करून मनां जिका. फाल्यां तुमकां सत्तेर येवपा जाय, तुमकां पावर येवपा जाय, तुम्ही येया, आवश्यक येया. तेकाच म्हणटा लोकशाही. कोण हुंयचे परमनंट पोझिशन घेवन बसना, पूण लोकांक भडकोवप, लोकांची मनां कुसोवप आणि उजो घालप समाजान. जसे दिल्ली थोडे कडेन उजो घालता, थोडे कडेन पब्लीक प्रॉपर्टी लासता, सगळे निसंटन करता. कोणाचे करता, कोणाचे पैसे हे लासता? तुमचे आणि आमचे पैसे, देशाचे पैसे, लोकांचे पैसे जे टॅक्सान आम्ही कलेक्ट करता ते. तेका लागून लोकांनी असले प्रोपगंडा बळी पडपाक जायना.